The California State Fire Marshal and CAL FIRE's team of arson and bomb investigators are still working to determine what caused the deadly July 1st explosion in Esparto.
I think it's important to understand that this case is very complex. Our focus is the explosion itself. What happened leading up to the explosion? Was there a crime committed? Was there negligence?
In mid-July, the Yolo County Board of Supervisors sent a letter to Attorney General Rob Bonta asking the state's top prosecutor to join CAL FIRE in the investigation and, if applicable, any future prosecution. Writing in part, "It is our strong belief that the public perception and integrity of the investigation elements currently being carried out at the local level would be best served by the direct involvement of the Department of Justice." KCRA 3 obtained the AG's response declining that request, dated August 8th. Writing, "We are confident CAL FIRE is able to conduct a complete, thorough, and unbiased investigation," adding the office is ready to assist should CAL FIRE ask for help in the future. Bonta's office also states its confidence in the Yolo County District Attorney's Office in handling any future prosecution, citing guidelines for recusal in California's penal code.
It's natural for the public to question any outcome that may ultimately occur when it's handled in a totally local way. But from the Attorney General's perspective, the law regarding recusal is such that there has to be a determination that it is unlikely the defendant would receive a fair trial. That's the standard.
Greg Taunton is the CEO of the California District Attorneys Association. He served as Ventura County's DA for nearly 2 decades.
So even where a DA knows in his or her heart of hearts, I'm going to be fair, I'm going to do the right thing, the DA still has to be concerned about public perception. Because at the end of the day, if the public doesn't trust and have confidence in the justice system and the justice system's ability to deliver a fair and just result, all of us suffer.
By phone, the Yolo County District Attorney told KCRA 3 he believes the case would be best handled by the Attorney General due to public perception concerns, but that he respected Bonta's decision. Meanwhile, State Fire Marshal Daniel Berlant acknowledges the complex nature of this investigation, but says this type of case is within his investigators' expertise.
We will lead the report itself, and while we will be the ones who finalize that report, our job will be then, once it's completed, to hand it to the district attorney intact for them to then make the determination of charges.
Leanne Denyer, KCRA 3 News.
And a Yolo County spokesperson released a statement this afternoon in response to AG Bonta's denial, saying, quote, "We appreciate the Attorney General's timely and thoughtful response to our request. We remain committed to ensuring that the investigation into the Oakdale fire is conducted with the independence and transparency the public deserves."